So friend, today we have come Holy Feast with a new vlog, and I know this vlog will be very short, but I had to come here when I saw the pretty scenery of this place. Then I thought that I should make a very small vlog for you. So today we have come, yes, very famous Hanuman temple, and surrounding you can see backside here. And here backside you can see the Shaurya. Hello Shaurya. Here is the Shaurya. Hey Shaurya.
So we have made it to Hanumanji, yes sir.
So why have you come here?
Because we're gonna have some dal bati churma and we're gonna pray to
What? Yeah, Angel.
Hanumanji.
Yes. It's a tour, small tour. We have come in the evening. Sorry, what is time?
What?
Time?
I don't know what time.
You don't know time? It's a 6 o'clock. So weather is a pleasant. Early in the morning it was a very humid weather, but now it's a very pleasant breeze. And so I think so you are waiting for surrounding of this. This is a very famous temple. I'll show you. Guys, when I was a child, that time I used to come with my family, but that time there was no commercialization. It was very simple and deserted area, but now everywhere you can see the concrete. It's good or bad. People are getting lots of facilities, but with facilities we are losing our natural environment also. But time is a change, and change means time. Nice. So now we have to look for our sitting arrangement. Where is our sitting arrangements? So here when you will come, so a number of the halls which you can hire, you can give some rent on this, and you can arrange your holy feast. Food which is eaten here, it is known as like a prasad. Prasad is like a holy feast. Shaurya, we just keep on walking, don't wait for me. So I'm looking for my sitting arrangement. Where is my hall?
Rolling slow, yeah. The sun's sinking low. Hitting up the boulevard, see the palm trees glow. Caddy drop top, got the rims on shine. West Coast living where it's always fine. Barbecue grilling, got the smoke in the air. Neighbors pulling up, good vibes everywhere. Talk box singing, let the synthesizer play.
Here, Shaurya and Sweetie Angel. Yeah. Angel, sure?
Yeah.
Please, how do you feel here?
I feel great. And now I feel amazing here. And I'm ready to eat the dal bati churma. So good. I'm ready to eat the food over here. I'm ready to do everything over here.
Where have you come?
I come to Hamnaji.
Yeah?
Hamnaji.
Yeah. Yeah, have you come first time here?
No,
Then?
I feel like it's my second or third time. I think it's my third time coming here actually. It's my third time and we're going to have a holy feast right now.
Holy
Yeah.
Feast.
We're
Very good.
about on our way.
So, do you have any demand?
No,
Do you want to ask something, Lord Hanumanji?
no,
Why?
I don't have any questions.
Yeah.
So we're going to go to see.
Okay, Shara, sweetie.
Yeah.
I'll take one pic. Sit there. Go back. Go back. Yeah. Ready? Mommy. Yeah. Yeah. Sure. Sweetie, come on. Shoulder. Yeah. Okay. Ready? Smile. And I'm also taking a one pic with the entire family. These are the sweet memories which we have to capture in our mind, in our heart. Am I right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So how do you want to remember this day?
I remember peacefully.
Peacefully. And you can see, friend, this is the garden backside, but really climate is really changing, and I'm talking about that 20 years ago when we used to come here, there was no single tree. It was an absolutely deserted area, but right now you can see garden. Look, this is the garden. You can see. So climate really changing. Deserts are changing. Deserts are changing as a green place, and green place are converting dry place. So it's a climate change. So we have to respect our environment, and we have to rescue all the wild animals. And one more thing, that if you respect our nature, then our nature will definitely be a lot. Thank you so much. Now we have to go for the prasadam. Small vlog is ended here. Love you. Taking care. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, in advance.